बनाओगे?
Yes, I will write. Just wait. Okay, students. So first question. Let me explain again. It is talk time. How do baby sparrows eat? Baby sparrows are fed by their parents into their beaks. Okay. Baby sparrows are fed by their parents into their beaks. Baby sparrows को उनके parents खाना खिलाते हैं. Let's write second question. I'm going to write second question here.
मैंने कर लिया.
Second question is, what new things
सर नामिशन का क्वेश्चन क्या है?
what new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say I would like to wear. This is the actual question. Okay. So what we have to do here? We have to write just what would you like to wear in a wedding? Just listen. You have this question in your book. You can write from there. Okay, just listen what I am talking to you. Yes.
सर ये बुक में करना है क्या नोटबुक? सर ये बुक में करना है क्या नोटबुक में?
बुक में भी कर सकते हो, नोटबुक में भी कर सकते हो. As you feel comfortable, you can write in book. Otherwise, you can write in your copy. Okay? It's up to you. Yes. So now the question is, what new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say, I would like to wear. In a wedding, if you want to go in a wedding ceremony, then what would you like to wear? अगर आपको किसी के शादी में जाना है तो आपको क्या पहनना अच्छा लगता है? This is your personal question. Yes, you can write your own answer.
नंबर कौन सा है? यार मुझको कोट और पैंट अच्छा लगता है.
Yes, you can write your own answer there.
सर मेरे को शर्ट और पैंट अच्छा लगता है. नंबर कौन सा है? मुझे शर्ट और पैंट अच्छा लगता है. जींस का पैंट.
I would also like to wear.
सर पेज नंबर कौन सा है? Excuse me sir.
यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है आंसर, ठीक है? Yes, I am giving you space to write. I would also like to wear dash. Now here you have to write your choice of a dress. Okay, particular name of a dress which you would like. I would also like to wear dash dash dash. आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कोट एंड पैंट.
Done.
You can write your own answer here. Okay.
Done sir. Done sir.
Yes, good. Let's wait for others. Now, I would like to call upon Drishya Lala. Drishya, unmute your mic, beta. Unmute your mic, Drishya.
चलो चलो ये देखो मैंने साइड पेंट कोट लिख दिया अपनी शादी में पहन के क्या जाते हैं.
ऐसे ट्रेन करना फिर इसको कराना घूमर.
You are not audible, Drishya.
Please sir.
Unmute your mic. Click on the mic. You can see on your mic.
Side please. Side please. Side please. Side please, sir. Side please, sir. Sir, sir,
Yes, if anybody, if this question is asked to me, then I will write answer here. I would also like to wear coat and pant, coat and trouser. We can write here, coat and trouser. Okay, you can write coat and pant, white shirt or black pant. Girls can write here frock, frill frock. You can write here one piece. Yes. Okay. So just write as you.
Side please, sir.
Yes, which you would like to wear in a wedding. It's up to you.
Yes,
Write
sir.
your own answer. You can write here
Dancer. Dancer.
a beautiful frock.
सर आपने बॉयज के लिए क्या लिखा था?
I would also like to wear a beautiful frock. Girls.
सर आपने बॉयज के लिए क्या लिखा था?
Coat and trouser. As I told you, you can write your own answer here. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि आप अपना खुद का आंसर यहाँ लिखो, ठीक है?
Side please.
Yes. बहुत टाइम ले रहे हो बच्चों आप लिखने के लिए.
Dancer. Dancer.
Okay, okay, very good. Let's wait for others. Okay, hope you all have completed this. Let's take another question. We have another question there. It is picture story. You can do it in your book first. आपको ये जो स्टोरी है ये पहले बुक में कंप्लीट करनी है. And after this, Ishita, please mute your mic. As I told you, page number here on the board I have written. Just check it out. Okay, students. So just here on page number 18. Again, I am telling you all. It is picture story. You can write this picture story in your book. You have to write this picture story in your book first and then in your copy. पहले आपको ये जो है बुक में कंप्लीट करना है and after the class you can write in your copy. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
now here,
Yes, sir.
yes, I am going to read the question. Picture story. Number the jumbled picture story correctly. Then write the story in proper order. Here I am going to write the title. Just picture story. Okay. What we have to do? It is here we can see some pictures. There are 5 pictures already, which is given on page number 18. We have to number it correctly in a sequence, in correct sequence. What happened first? What happened at the end? What happened after the first? Like this way. Okay. First sentence is there. Mother says we will leave the window open. मम्मी ने कहा कि हम विंडो ओपन रखेंगे. Listen. Nobody will talk in between the class. Shreyasi, just listen it carefully. Mother says we will leave the window open. मम्मी ने कहा कि हम विंडो ओपन रखेंगे. Second, Nina is happy again. नीना फिर से खुश हो गई. Nina is sad. नीना दुखी थी. Fourth sentence is Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. नीना बेबी स्पैरोज को अलोन यानी अकेला छोड़ना नहीं चाहती थी. मदर आस्क्स व्हाई. मम्मी ने पूछा क्यों. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई थिंक, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आई थिंक नीना इज sad. Nina is sad. What you have to write there? Just put 1 in this circle. यहाँ पे जो आपको सर्कल दिया गया है इसमें आपको 1 लिखना है. ओके, because it is first sentence of the story. Nina is sad. नीना दुखी है.
सर नोटबुक में इसकी ड्राइंग बनानी है.
No, you need not to draw any picture. You just write this one, which is on page number 19. Okay? You need not to draw any picture. आपको कोई भी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? Questions related to drawing, it is already given in a page in this story. So you need not to draw any picture. So first sentence is here, Nina is sad. After this, second question, I think mother asks why. Mother asks why. मम्मी पूछती है आप दुखी क्यों है. So it is second question, second sentence. So right here at this corner, at the bottom of this corner, put 2 or write 2. Okay, Harshit, all are watching you. Harshit, speak properly.
सर मैंने बुक में से देख के कर लिया.
Very good, very good. So let's wait for others.
करना है सर मैंने भी सर पहले जंबल वाली स्टोरी लिख के कर लिया. हो गया इसको क्या.
Now the third sentence is here. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. This is the third sentence. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Nina baby sparrows को अकेला छोड़ना नहीं चाहती थी.
सर पहले
Right, 3
जंबल वाली
in this
स्टोरी.
circle. Fourth one is there. Mother says we will leave the window open. We will leave the window open. And the fifth sentence, Nina is happy again. Nina is happy again.
सर पहले जंगल वाली स्टोरी लिखनी है क्या?
Just put correct numbers in the circle. Azan, look at here, beta. In this, on this page, what we have to do? We have to number. We have to give numbers. Okay, correctly. So this one, is fourth sentence. This one is fifth. This one is first. This one is third. And this one is second. Okay. So on this page, just write correct number in the circle. And after this, on page number 19, here you can write all these sentences like this way, as I have written on the board. Okay, is it clear to all? Just show me thumbs up. Is it clear to all?
Done,
Yes,
sir.
very good. Very
Done,
good.
sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. मेरा नहीं हुआ. Guys. Done, sir. सर जो पेज नंबर 19 है उसमें जो सबसे पहले दे रखे हैं वो लिखना है क्या?
Yes, yes. Exactly.
Done,
On page
sir.
number 19, there are some lines already given. Okay. So we have to write these sentences as an order according to the story. Okay. First sentence, Nina is sad. You have to write there, Nina is sad. Okay, just like this. Nina is sad. After this second sentence, mother asks why. Like this way, you all have to write. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So students, here we have completed our question, which is very important.
Done, sir.
Now another question is there, another activity is there, which you have to do. Okay, which you have to do. It is try making a bird bath and a feeding corner for birds. What you have to do? You have to try making bird bath. Bird bath जो होता है वो आपको बनाना है. If you want to, if you or would you like to leave? Would you like to have birds visiting you every day? अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके घर में, आपके घर के साइड में या गार्डन में अगर बर्ड्स आते रहें, तो आप ये काम कर सकते हो. क्या काम कर सकते हो? बर्ड्स के लिए बर्ड बाथ बना सकते हो. अब कैसे बनाएंगे? कैसे बनाएंगे? अगर कुछ ऐसा प्लास्टिक का ये है, कैन है, तो आप उससे क्या कर सकते हो? बर्ड बाथ बना सकते हो. अगर टूटा हुआ पॉट है पानी का, ठीक है ना, टूटा हुआ, नहीं तो कई बच्चे घर से निकालेंगे और तोड़ेंगे. ऐसे नहीं करना है. ये ऐसा जो पॉट होता है, इसको ऊपर से क्या करना है? अगर टूटा हुआ है तो आप इसका बर्ड बाथ बना सकते हो, है ना, इस तरह से. तो यस, इसमें क्या करना है? हर रोज पानी भरना है, गार्डन में रखना है, अपने गैलरी में रखना है, ओपन स्पेस से बाहर है, तो बर्ड क्या होंगे? यहाँ पे आएंगे. अच्छा, वेरी गुड. पानी पीने आ जाएंगे, आते रहेंगे. So you can try to make this bird bath for the bird.
हमारे घर रखा हुआ है. हमने उसको
You would like to have birds visiting you every day. then you can try to make this bird bath, okay, and put it in your garden
Mama,
in
date
an open
क्या?
space.
मम्मा डेट क्या है?
Who is there? Please mute your
अरे
mic.
इसके बाद सर विकास मीना 28
Okay. Yes. Okay, understood this activity? Is it clear? Yes. Pratik, Azan, Arshi, Bhavesh, Vikas, Jatin, Akshit, Kumud. What are you asking, Rohini?
सर ये बनानी भी है क्या ये चिड़िया?
Yes, yes, yes. I will explain it. Okay, let me ask to all. मुझे पहले सभी से पूछने दो कि आपको सबको समझ में आया है या नहीं आया है ना? तो आपको अगर ऐसा चाहते हैं कि बर्ड्स आपके घर के आजू बाजू में घूमे, गार्डन में घूमने आए, तो आप ये बर्ड बाथ बना सकते हैं. यू कैन ट्राई टू मेक.
यदि हमारे घर में लगा हुआ है.
birds, okay, so that you can visit, you can watch the birds.
हमारी छत में लगा हुआ है.
Yes, very good, Advik.
यदि हमारी छत
So,
पे भी लगा हुआ है.
Here,
सर हमारे छत पे भी लगा हुआ है.
listen. Now listen. In this box, you have to draw a picture or drawing of a bird. यहाँ पे आपको एक ड्राइंग बनानी है जो बर्ड आपको अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है? उस बर्ड की ड्राइंग बनानी है और आपको उसको कलर भी करना है, ठीक है?
सर बुक में, नोटबुक में.
बुक में भी कीजिए, नोटबुक में भी कीजिए, ठीक है? तो दोनों जगह पे कीजिए आप ये जो एक्टिविटी है. सो
सर नोटबुक में भी करना है ना?
यस, मैंने वही बोला. बुक में भी कीजिए और नोटबुक में भी कीजिए. नोटबुक का मतलब है कॉपी, ठीक है?
सर प्लीज साइड. सर इसको भी बनाना है क्या? सर
अगर आपके पास कुछ चीजें अवेलेबल है तो आप ये बर्ड बाथ बना सकते हैं. अगर नहीं है तो नहीं बनाया तो भी कोई बात नहीं. इट इज एन एक्टिविटी. It is an activity. It is if the material is available at your home, then you can make. Okay.
सर जो आपने ड्राइंग बनाने का काम दिया है उसमें बर्ड बात बनाना है या फिर बर्ड की फोटो?
No. Let's draw and color a bird. The question is very simple. What is the question there? The question is, let's draw a bird and color it. Bird draw करना है और उसे color करना है. Is it very? It is very simple question. है ना दृश्य? आप हंस क्यों रहे हो? चलो अच्छी बात है. ऐसे ही हंसते मुस्कुराते रहिए, ठीक है? Yes, like this way. As shown, we have done this. Draw this picture of a peacock. Just like this way, you have to draw a picture of a bird in this box. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that's it for today, students. So thank you one and all for paying attention in the class. I'm going to end this session.
Bye sir. Bye sir.
Which I have to do. Yes, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye sir.
Bye, sir.